Kia Telluride EX. Fuse and relay panel description, fuse replacement. Engine compartment fuse box. The fuse box is located in the left side of the engine compartment, as illustrated in the image. Engine compartment fuse box diagram. Description and specifications of the fuses and relays in the engine compartment fuse box. So if you need to take a closer look at the relays and their specifications, you'll find a link below the video to download the PDF materials. Instrument panel fuse box. The fuse box is located under the instrument panel. Here is the instrument panel fuse box diagram. Description and specifications of the fuses and relays in the instrument panel fuse box. Want more details on the fuses? Download the PDF materials from the link below. Relay inspection. Power relay type A. Power relay type B. Inspection of the power relay type A, type B the same.
Check for continuity between the terminals. After supplying power to between number 85 and 86 power relay terminals, check that there is continuity between number 30 and 87 terminals. After disconnecting power between number 85 and 86 power relay terminals, check that there is no continuity between number 30 and 87 terminals.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel.